Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium subject SS. Friends, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 11 Indian Judiciary part number 3. Okay, in our both part 1 and 2 we already discussed about the previous discussion about this chapter. Now we will start from the subordinate court. Okay, subordinate court under the guidance of the supervisions of the high court of any state. There are district and taluka courts. Okay, under the guidance of the high court there are two main court, district court and taluka court. First taluka court, kota court and tribunal central special courts. Each state is divided into the administrative under called the district, consisting of the civil court, criminal court and the revenue court. If you are talk about the administrative system of the basic form, okay, there are two types of the administrative at a district and taluka. Okay, district court and taluka court. So about their all courts we will study in detail. First of all is about the district court. So district judge, the appointed as the promotion of the any individual to the post of the district judge is done by the governor or the respective state into the constitution with the high court of the state. Okay, now qualification to become the judge of the Supreme Court. Which are the qualification to become the judge of the Supreme Court? The qualification: a person being appointed as a district judge should be the citizen of India. Number one condition is citizen of India, should possess a practice as an advocate for at least 7 years. उसको एडवोकेट का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए, कितने साल का? एटलीस्ट 7 years का. An officer of the judiciary of either the state of the central government to eligible to be appointed as a judge of a district court. All the other judges other than the district judges are appointed by the governor or the high court into the constitution with the state public service commission is accordance with the rule of framed by the constitution. So these are the qualification to become the judge of the district court. Okay, now the judge who handle the civil sides, it's called the district judge. Okay, the judge who handles the civil suits, that is called district judge. The judge who handle the criminal case is called session judge. ओके, द जज हु हैंडल द सिविल साइड, मतलब जो सिविल केसेस को हैंडल करते हैं उसको डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज कहा जाता है. क्रिमिनल केस को हैंडल करते हैं उसको सेशन जज कहा जाता है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट हियर द petitions challenging by judgment of the lower court under it to the civil side of a rupee 1 lakh or more either by the government or against the government are carried out into the district court level. Okay, the judge of a district court has power to run the case of the marriage, divorce, alimony, reform in the case of the prenatal custody. Okay, so these are the power of the judge as a district court. Now the criminal court include the session court. criminal court और session court की अगर बात करें, the first class judicial magistrate court, second class जो होता है वो judicial magistrate court, मामलतदार and executive magistrate court. This court have a power to give a punishment or imprisonment range of the 3 to 10 years and penalty up to the 5,000 or more. In case of the murder, the court can be give the capital punishment, lifetime imprisonment and life sentence. तो ये अथॉरिटी जो होती है वो किसके पास होती है? डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट और तालुका कोर्ट के पास ये अथॉरिटी होती है. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, इसके अलावा डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर आर अ स्मॉल कोर्ट, इसके अलावा भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर छोटी छोटी दूसरी कोर्ट होती है जैसे कि फैमिली कोर्ट. फॉर द केस pertaining to the land revenue there is a revenue court. Okay, for a dispute of a laborer there is a labor court along with the tribunals. As per the example of the tribunal, compensating the vehicle accident for the protection and service and other rights of the teachers and professor in Gujarat Educational Organization Service Tribunal. Tribunal for the recovering debt for the protection of the consumer right. कौन सी कोर्ट होती है? कंज्यूमर राइट प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम. These tribunals functions like the court and help the cases wherein the petitions recover their losses and receive the compensations. In each district there are a fast track court. हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट भी होती है with the objective to run the case faster. Okay, for hearing the case of Pota, there are Pota court in Gujarat. Okay, in the courts has gathered importance by the decriminalizing the administration and the function independently, freely, lawfully. People have started talking all the benefits and have become aware. So these all आर द डाउन कोर्ट. ओके, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट और तालुका कोर्ट के अंदर होती है, ये सारी कोर्ट के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे हमको बताई गई है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अबाउट द लोक अदालत. ओके, व्हाट इज लोक अदालत? गुजरात स्टेट इज द फर्स्ट टू स्टार्ट लोक अदालत. ओके, गुजरात स्टेट सबसे पहले लोक अदालत स्टार्ट किए हुए थे टू प्रोवाइड अ स्पीडी एंड इकोनॉमिकल जस्टिस टू द पुअर, weak and exploited sections of the society. Under this, the court provides free support and guidance through the Legal Aid Service Center situated in Ahmedabad. लोक अदालत कहाँ पे है? अहमदाबाद में है, गुजरात की. If you are talk about the Gujarat, लोक अदालत functions voluntary even on the Sunday and holiday at the district and taluka headquarters as per the convenience of the petitioners. The Lok Adalat generally hear the cases of the accident and relative compositions, divorce, alimony, general debts and personal complaints. ओके, तो ये जो होता है वो अदालत के अंदर जो केसेस होते हैं वो सुनाए जाते हैं. कंप्लेंट्स एट्सेट्रा. लोक अदालत कंसिस्ट ऑफ द एडवोकेट्स. लोक अदालत के अंदर एडवोकेट्स होते हैं, वो सोशल वर्कर, एजुकेशनलिस्ट, रेप्यूटेड सिटीजन, बिजनेसमैन, पुलिस ऑफिसर, इंश्योरेंस ऑफिसर, जज एंड द जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स हो सकते हैं. हियर केसेस आर सेटल amicably such as the both the parties are satisfied. Okay, in the case through the lok adalats are neither won nor lost. Lok adalats save the time and money. Many pending cases can be solved. In the judgment of the lok adalats are backed by the law. Therefore, the lok adalats have become the central of attraction. So, lok अदालत की शॉर्ट नोट जो होती है वो एग्जाम में आती है. इट इज़ वेरी इजी, बराबर है, तो दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. Independent of the judiciary. Next and last point, the Indian Constitution has kept the judiciary independent, free and fearless from the legislature and the executive, from the protection of the fundamental rights of the citizen, for the social, political and economical equality, and for providing the justice. The judiciary cannot be inclined or biased towards the government. The terms and the conditions of the appointed of the judges, the appointment process, pay, scale, transfer, promotion, retirement, etc. is taken care by the executive as per the constitutional provisions. Okay, the judgment are appointed for the specific period of time. The executive cannot remove any of the judges. See, the executive cannot remove any of the judges due their will or any political pressure. Okay, कोई भी political pressure या अपनी इच्छा से वो किसी को remove नहीं कर सकते हैं. They pay scale, the term of service, promotion, transfer, benefit and promotion, pension, फंड द जजेस कैन नॉट बी अलर्टेड ड्यूरिंग द टर्म. ये सब उनको नहीं मिल सकता. ड्यूरिंग द टर्म ऑफ द सर्विस ऑफ द जज बराबर, अगर काम करते टाइम एनी बिहेवियर और देयर जजमेंट कैन नॉट बी डिस्कस्ड बाय क्रिटिकली reviewed into the parliament or legislative assembly. Okay, the judge after their retirement के बाद वो कैन नॉट कैरी आउट देयर प्रैक्टिस इन एनी ऑफ द कोर्ट, रिटायरमेंट के बाद वो कहीं पे भी एज अ जज काम नहीं कर सकते हैं. द पर्पस इज टू एम्पावर द जज to perform their duties fearlessly, honesty, self-reliantly, independently and firmly, so that judges can be transparent and quick justice. Indian constitutional have give the judiciary an independent, impartial and uniform place. This case is public welfare. The question of the public welfare of the important problem pertaining to public welfare can be written or a simple postcard on the ordinary letter to the Supreme Court. So in the past the Supreme Court has treated such matters of the pretension has given the setting judgment. This has proved the vigilance of the judiciary into the public. So this is very important information related to the basic subordinate courts. Okay, present if you are talk about, there are 303.5 crore पेंडिंग केस इन जुडिशरी एट द टाइम जब ये बुक छपी होगी, एट दैट टाइम की इंफॉर्मेशन है. 3.5 करोड़ पेंडिंग केसेस है जुडिशरी के अंदर. इनसफिशियंट नंबर ऑफ कोर्ट, उनके रीज़न क्या है? व्हाट आर द रीज़न? इनसफिशियंट नंबर ऑफ द कोर्ट, जजेस एंड स्टाफ इन रीज़न. ओके, इन डिले द जस्टिस. ओके, जस्टिस होने में डिले हो रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द इनसफिशियंट नंबर ऑफ द कोर्ट, जज एंड स्टाफ. The present central government has undertaken the task of reforming 1,500 old and irrelevant law. बराबर, उसको बदलने की वो तैयारी में है. So this is about the इंडियन जुडिशरी. फ्रेंड्स, इंडियन जुडिशरी से रिलेटेड वॉट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन, बहुत ही ईजी चैप्टर है ये इंडियन जुडिशरी को लेकर, और उसके रिलेटेड जो भी डिस्कशन है वो हमने किया यहाँ पे. ओके, नाउ टॉक अबाउट द होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज जो है दैट यू हैव टू डू. ओके, मस्ट हैव टू डू राइट अबाउट द ऑल द एक्सरसाइज टिल द 4 नंबर. ओके, एंड रिलेटेड टू दिस वीडियो वॉट एवर द क्वेश्चन आंसर आर देयर आई विल सेंड यू थ्रू द PDF. और इस चैप्टर का टेस्ट जो है टुमारो आई विल टेक द 20 मार्क्स टेस्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. ओके, in our next video we'll discuss about the new chapter, new topic. Okay, bye, take care.